Hello everyone, this is Ashrit from Learn Digital Academy. So in this class, we'll discuss on how to create a custom document size. So in last class, we discussed on all preset sizes. So in this class, we'll discuss how to create your custom size in Illustrator. So in the left hand side, you can see option create new. So just click on create new, or also you can click on file new. So you can use both the ways. With that you can use a shortcut also, control plus n. So anything you can use. So I'm creating a new file by clicking on this button. A new document pop-up window you will get. So last class we discussed all these things. So how to give a preset, edit, or how to give your own custom sizes we'll discuss. So preset details are there in the right hand side. Here whatever work you are doing, just give a file name, so the document or the work which you are doing. So width is there, height is there. This one is point, this one we call it as measurement units. You can create your document size or create your size files in pixels, points, inches, millimeter, centimeter and pixels. It's completely depend on you people on for which platform you are doing a design. So currently I am going with the inches. So I need 12 inches width into 12 inches height. So that means I am creating a square artboard. So orientation means a portrait size you need or a landscape file size you need. So for example, if height is 15, so you will get a different option. This is a portrait and this one is a landscape. If you click on landscape, you can observe one thing: height is swapped to width, width is swapping with height. So that means interchanging the values. Whatever file size you need, you can use that size. So then number of artboards. So for example, number of pages. So how many pages you need? So in the same way, here we call it as artboard. How many artboards you need? So by default, it will be in a one. So if you need a more than one, so just apply how much you need. 2, 3, 4, how much you need, you can use. So then bleed. So bleed is most of the cases they use for print purpose. If you turn on the bleed, in the edges you will get a frame kind of thing, extra portion you will get. So once you are using in the print, you will get that bleed values. So like 0.25 inches top, bottom, left, right. So you can give your custom bleed size over here. So then turn on advanced options. So color mode. So if it is for print purpose, always go with CMYK color combination. So if it is for digital purpose or if you are posting only in social medias, always use RGB color mode. So then for example, if you're going for print purpose, so make sure that your PPI is high. So currently CMYK print purpose, PPI means pixel per inch. So that means we are giving a design for print, make sure it should be in 300. So we have 150, we have 72 also. So whatever things you need, you can give. So if you are posting in any social media, Facebook, WhatsApp, Twitter, Instagram, or normal social medias and all, so make sure that it is in a RGB color mode. So then if it is for print, 72 is more than enough. It's completely depends on the platform where you are creating. So then preview mode, a default preview mode I need. So by default it will be in a default. Let it be default. These are all the main settings we need to do whenever we are doing custom sizes. For example, initially I am taking with the one artboard. I am turning off the bleed. So just apply create. So now you can see one artboard. So height 10 inches or 12 inches, then width 15 inches or 20 inches, whatever width you have given that one. So currently you cannot able to see any bleed and only one artboard you can see. So let's create one more file. So the same measurement, just I am turning on the bleeds and also I am turning on the number of artboard. So now create. So now you can see a bleed. So bleed is highlighted with a red or orange outline. That means you can design up to the bleed also. So not an issue, but make sure that whatever text you are placing, it should be inside your white color artboard. Text, logos or any important information you need to place inside the white area. The design part, you can expand your design up to the red or orange highlighted line, that is bleed. So in the previous file you can see only single artboard is there. Here you can see 3 artboards we have. So you can play with artboard also. So like artboard 1, artboard 2, artboard 3, 4. It acts like page 1, page 2, page 3, page 4. In this way you can create your custom own size. So if you're creating again, so same process you can use. For example, I will go with, so width 10, height 10. So currently I will go with CMYK color mode with 300 resolution. Just I need only 2 output. Bleed, increase it. So I increased to 0.5. So just click on create. So now you can see the distance between the artboard and the bleed is too much. So because we have given more number of bleed from the artboard, so then only 2 artboard, so I changed into 2. So here you can observe this all in rectangle formations, and this will be in a square because height and width I have given a same value. So in top also you can observe this will be RGB color mode, and this one is in CMYK color mode. So whenever you are creating an individual document, it will show you in which color mode you are working. So after creating a document, if you want to change your color mode, obviously you can change. So go for file. So here you have a document color mode option. So just change it to CMYK. So now you can see this one also in CMYK. So you can change RGB to CMYK, CMYK to RGB also. So this is how you need to convert CMYK to RGB or RGB to CMYK after you started your work also. So then these are the main things you need to concentrate whenever you are creating a custom size or whenever you are using a preset sizes for any design or any purpose. I hope the session was informative. We'll catch up in the next session.